Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Thursday, the 6th of October. These are the charts of the day, and today we're featuring, as we do every Thursday, the swing trades that are still active at thetechtrader.com. There's about 13 of them. We'll start off with AEH chart, which was a great swing from there to there. I put another one on when it started to rally. It backed off, but today was a big day for it, as it turned from 1372 to 1568. Finished up 98 cents at 1530, about 7% today. The volume picked up too. The OBV looks good. I think this stock is going to take this wedge and explode out of it. First, to test the 17, 18, 19 zone right there. We get through that, we're looking at mid-20s. That should be powerful if it gets going. ARRY in the solar sector with a beautiful, almost perfectly formed inverse head and shoulder. A breakout with a spectacular run and a wave 4 flag. Now, it started to move the other day and then backed right off today. So the solar stocks are having a more difficult time. And I just don't want to see ARRY below 16 ideally. So you can stop under that. What we want to see is a thrust back over 18.75, 19 to get it going for a move to 23, 3.5, and then maybe 28. Those are my targets for ARRY on a swing. ASAN popped, made a new, 3-week high and then backed off to finish slightly negative, now 9 cents. Not worried about it. I still love the base pattern. The technicals look fine. They've turned neutral though. I want to see a thrust here with some energy. The target is in the 30-31 zone, and then we're looking at 37. BLUEBIRD BIO having a good rebound off of the 5.25 range from a week and a half ago to make it up to 764 today. The spike high in August was around 8.25. That's going to be a target. If we get through that, then we're looking up towards 10.5. Nice 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 5 may be coming. CANO with a beautiful rounding bottom base pattern over the last several months, broke out with a spike and is now wedging. I think when the wedge pops, and the first thing you want to see is over 920 or so, then you're looking at 10.25 and 12.5. DNLI, it spiked out and broke out of the declining top sign and a falling wedge. Here's the wedge I'm talking about. Looks something like this. It popped to resistance and backed off. And take a look at the last 5-6 days. Nice wedge and narrowing type pattern coil, whatever you want to call it. Once we get to 34, your initial target, you're looking at 36.5 and 39.5 to retest the August high. FREY has been a great swing for us as it exploded, pulled back, ran again, and it's been stair-stepping its way higher. Very choppy though of late, with the down, up, down, up, down, up, and then back down for 2 days. Support, I would really like to see it hold without breaking down under 14.95. Today's reversal after making a new high all the way up to 16.94, finished at 15.16. So not a good negative engulfing reversal day, which may result in a pullback of a deeper nature towards 14.25. I would stop it under, say, 14. But my target going forward is 19 at the top of the channel if it's able to make it. It's already had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it may be more difficult, and it could be double topping up there, so be careful. MP pop, we put a swing back on it. I like this company, just waiting for the right timing on it. It popped out, and then again, this too reversed today, so I want to see that as well. Try to hold around the gap, even if it fills it. I don't want to below 29. Then I want to see 33 taken out with a thrust, and if that occurs, 38.9 is your target. I love NTNX. After breakaway pop and a pullback, I put a swing on it and made it to target number 1. Pulled back pretty steeply to test the trend line and held it, and now it's moving back up again. Today it popped to as high as 22.97 before pulling back. The key for this stock, in my opinion, is this double top resistance around 23.75. You get through that, you're looking at 26.5. and 28.75. PACB now up for 7 of the last 8 days the stock has been up, and then one day it was down. It had a big positive reversal. So I'm looking forward to getting the stock across 715, 18, and then a strong run to 8.25 and 9.5. Peri had a spectacular earnings report, as we knew it might. 1.4 million traded, which is the biggest volume on an update on this stock since beginning of April when it exploded to that high up there at 26.69. Today, the action took out the resistance in the zone, and I'm looking forward to 24.5, 26.5, and longer term low 30s. Swing trade Roblox popped a little bit, up 101 today, but just 2.67%. Nevertheless, after breaking out here, we put a swing on it and made it up to the target, pulled back down, bounced and made a lower low, but double bottom near support across this line. That's my stopping point under 33.5. And I really don't want to see it under 36.5. Once it gets above 41.2, you're looking at 46.7 and 53.4. And finally, SRTS, beautiful long-term chart. For me, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth wave could take us low to mid 20s. That's my take. But first, before you get there, you're going to take out 15, 10, 15, 15, 10, 20 zone. 15 and a quarter was reached back here in August. So above 15, 20, 25. I'm looking for a much more substantial move. 17, 17 and a half, and then 22 and a half, 23. At least those are my targets going forward, with a stop under 11 ideally. That's it for tonight at detectrader.com. This is HB signing off. I'll speak to you tomorrow. TGIF.